Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and welcome to Export Your Store. As an e-commerce seller, you have so many roles and responsibilities to take on in your e-commerce business. You're pretty busy, to say the least. And now I'm sure you're also thinking about how to reach more shoppers by expanding to other channels and marketplaces. Well, you might not believe me now, but it's actually much simpler than you think. And now, I'd like to tell you a bit about Export Your Store. It's the complete solution that takes your store to the next level and helps you turn your operations into the multi-channel business that you've always dreamed of. With our simple yet powerful automations, you can export your products and sync them in minutes. To put it in simpler terms, all you have to do is connect the current channel you have all of your products listed on today, then use Export Your Store to import all of those listings, and in a couple of clicks, you can list them onto the new marketplace. And in this short video, I'll show you how to do that. We will go over how you can seamlessly connect between selling platforms, automate product syncing, and your day-to-day operations in order to reach many more customers. We will begin with what we call a source store. Your source store is where you have all your listings today and you'd like to export them to the new marketplace. So our first step is to connect your source store to our product management system, which will automatically sync products between your source store and your linked channels. It can sync products between platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, Shopify, Depop, and many more. No matter where you're currently selling, our system allows you to simply integrate your products into new platforms while ensuring that products are updated on all of your stores. This feature is particularly essential for our sellers who sell one-of-a-kind products. With automatic product syncing across platforms, Export Your Store keeps everything up to date with cross-platform quantity, price syncs, and customizable rules. These rules enable you to optimize product titles, descriptions, and pricing for each channel automatically. If you've got many different products and collections and thousands of SKUs, don't worry because we've got you covered with our bulk actions that will help you quickly and easily modify product attributes for each marketplace at scale. All of these will help you easily and quickly expand your business to a new marketplace and reach many more shoppers. Once you have your products imported and your categories mapped, up next we'll work on the sync settings. What are sync settings, you may ask? Well, let me tell you. Let's say you sold an item on your source store. Well, our system will automatically update inventory across all channels. Then let's say you updated pricing and your quantity on your source store. These changes will be reflected in your linked channels automatically. And finally, let's say you added a new product to your source store. Well, don't worry because we'll also make sure it's synced to all of your linked platforms. You can set these up with just a toggle of a switch, and then our smart marketplace integration system will take care of the rest. And finally, now it's time to export all of your products to a new target channel and watch the orders start coming in. In the course of this video, we went through the whole process in less than 15 minutes. So please, ask yourself, why would you only sell on one channel when you can expand to many marketplaces? There's really no easier way to start exporting and syncing your products between Amazon and eBay than Export Your Store. I mean, think about it. It really does not make sense to have to pick between Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or Etsy when you can sell on all of them at once. And Export Your Store is by far the easiest way for you to do that. So check out the link below to sign up for your free trial, and I'm sure you will after this video because you've got nothing to lose. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. But for now, I'm gonna go back to expanding my Etsy shop to yet another marketplace.